There, that ought to make a good video. We'll just let it run here for a while. And that's with a homemade swarm lure, homemade swarm trap, and a box full of just garbage frames. Some of them were even medium super frames with no foundation that I just kind of cut and extended with strips of aluminum because I didn't really think this was going to work. I just wanted to test out the lure. This trap was set on Sunday at about 5:30 in the afternoon, and it's almost noon on Tuesday. I had bees move in Monday. There was probably 200 or 300 that came in. And I really thought it was just a small swarm, but it looks like they were just scouts checking it out, because there's definitely a swarm in there now. So it looks like tonight, after the sun goes down, we will, I'll seal that hive up and I'll move it back to the apiary. It's probably a 1/16 of a mile. Hopefully they stay and don't go, "Why did you move me?" I don't think they will. It's not all high up in the tree like the trap is, but I think they'll be good with it. Now I do have another trap in the back too that's probably has 300 or 400 bees in it. Same kind of deal that was going on here. I wonder if they were just scouts from the same swarm, or if I'm going to get another swarm in that one. It's exactly the same setup. So at some point here I may pause this video and take a walk. I might just leave it rolling too. I don't know how much room I have left on this iPhone. This is pretty amazing though. I think I'll just let it roll. Look at the beard on that hive. Yeah, they seem to be moving in nice now. They're definitely going to fill that little 8-frame box. And I don't know if you can see this, but there's a little piece of white sugar candy that I made that I threw up on the side of that. Initially, I thought maybe they were robbers, and I figured they would steal that piece of candy if they were robbing, and they had no interest in that at all. Some of the drawn comb in that hive does have a little bit of honey in it, so I initially thought robbers, but the amount of bees that were in there were just way too high for robbers. I have other traps set up that are just getting robbed, and it's usually just 8 or 10 bees will spend the day stealing stuff out of it. And this one didn't set up like that at all. Alright, I'm going to let this roll for a few minutes and go check my other traps. Wow, she fell. There we go. Sorry about that. Hopefully it stays while I'm gone. Yeah, I just went and checked the swarm trap that was in the back. Yesterday it had, well, even this morning, had 300 or 400 bees in it. There isn't a single bee there now. It's like a ghost town. Obviously they were checking out all of the traps and they picked the one they liked the best. So after I move this, I will probably move that other swarm trap right into this tree if they like this location better. I've heard that you can catch 4 or 5 swarms in a row in the same location if you just keep setting the trap. So we'll try that. Well, I'm going to let these ladies work, and you can check us out on Facebook at Dahlia Mays Farm, or you can like our YouTube page. If you have any questions about the traps or the lures or any part of this process that I've created here, just comment at the bottom and I will respond to it. You guys have a great day.